Hello everyone, I'm Jai Kisan and today I'm going to solve a new Leetcode problem, that is the problem number 1365. Okay, the problem name is how many numbers are smaller than the current number. So let's read the problem statement first and then after we will try to solve it. So here it is written that given the array nums, so it means that we have given an array nums as you see here, and then we need to calculate for each nums I, find out how many numbers in the array are smaller than 8. That is, for each nums I you have to count the number of valid j such that j does not equal to or is not equal to I, and nums j should be less than nums I. Then after we need to return our answer in the array. Okay, return the answer in an array. So we need to return the answer in an array. So if you, I hope you all understand the problem statement. So here it means that we have given the, if we look at the example, then it means that we have a nums array, and the first element of the nums array is like um, so if I talk about the 8, there are no numbers are there are 4 numbers are smaller than 8. So the answer is here is 8. Similarly, if we check for the 1, so here are only 0 element, means no element is less than 1, so here it is 0. Similarly, if I talk about the 2, then for the 2 there are one element, that is 1 is less than 2, so the answer is 2. The answer is 1, not 2, 1 here. And similarly, if for the 2 the answer is 1, and for this 3 the answer is 3, because there are 3 less than element, 3 element that are less than the 3. So let's write the code for this question, for this Leetcode problem. Okay, so first we create our vector array, that is answer. Okay, and then we traverse through the nums vector, that is I less than nums dot size I plus plus is int. So if I run this problem statement here, and it is accepted, and let's try to submit this. I hope this answer is sufficient for submission. I hope the Leetcode compiler will going to accept this answer. Okay, so this is the solution of the day. I hope you all understand this. So this is all from my side. We will meet you soon in the next lecture. Till then, happy coding. I'm Jai Kisan signing.